Did you know that your map styling can completely transform how people interpret your data, whether it's land use, income levels, or population density? Category styling is perfect when you want to group data into distinct classes. But what if you need to analyze data with numbers? That's where quantity styling shines. Take income data, darker shades for higher incomes, lighter shades for lower ones. Want to bring your maps to life? MAPOG makes it effortless. To do the category style in MAPOG, first select your land use data, then get to the Style Data option, select Category Style Data, provide your desired attribute and save style. This makes it easy to identify different areas instantly. For the quantity style in MAPOG, go through the same process, but select the quantity style and provide the correct attribute. Here you can play around with colors and ranges. Then save the style. It's an instant visual impact that makes trends pop. Urban planners, researchers, and policymakers use these styles every day to make data-driven decisions. And the best part? It's easier than ever to do it yourself. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime. Thank you for using MAPOG.